Question 1. What is the average lifespan of a goat? Option A 17 years is correct answer. Question 2. Which one among the following is the largest monkey? Option B. Baboon is correct answer. Question 3. Which is the animal that sees everything twice as big? Option C. Elephant is correct answer. Question 4. Which is the national animal of Australia? Option C. Kangaroo is correct answer. Question 5. Which animal have blue blood? Option D. All of above is correct answer. Question 6. Which animal has 3 hearts? Option D. Octopus is correct answer. Question 7. What is the world's largest cat? Option A. Tiger is correct answer. Question 8. Which animal is known for its black and white stripes? Option A. Zebra is correct answer. Question 9. Which of the following animals is not a carnivore? Option C. Gorilla is correct answer. Question 10. What is the largest mammal in the world? Option A. Blue whale is correct answer.